Okay, moving on. So first, let's create a nice clear border around the plot area. So if we left click somewhere in the plot area, like that, you need to be careful. If you were to click maybe on one of these grid lines, the grid lines are selected. Okay, so you want to kind of click somewhere in the space of the plot area. And let's change the border to be a solid line. Make sure it's black, and then make it 2-point. Okay, that'll put a nice clear dark border around the plot area. Now let's take this number 1. I'm not quite sure where that came from. We'll just left click it, and then let's just delete it. Okay, but we need some kind of title down here at the bottom. So what we'll do is come up here to Chart Design, left click, and then on the far left-hand side of the ribbon, under Add Chart Element, left click that, go to Axis Titles, and put Primary Horizontal. Now you can see here, now it's added this axis title at the bottom. But the text is awfully small. So let's left click on that. Okay, so the title is now selected, and let's format this. So we'll come up here to the Home menu, left click, and we'll change the font to Times New Roman. See, Times New Roman. And let's make it 18-point and bold. Okay. Now let's see, if I double click inside of this, so it didn't actually change the size of the text on the inside. Okay, so if you double click this text on the inside and you select all of it like that, let's change it to Times New Roman again. And 18-point and bold. It's not doing it. All right. Why is it being so stubborn? Well, let's see here. Let's see if I type my own. What's going on? All right. So that's strange. Let's go to Chart Design, Add. Let's take it out. Put it back in. Let's just type something in there. Let's put height in feet like that. And then maybe drop. So, these are the two random variables. This is the height box plot, and this is the drop box plot. And let's see if I select all of that and change it to Times New Roman, it should let me. Okay, and let's make that 18-point and bold. Okay, so there it worked. So 18-point bold is a pretty good font size. Could maybe go 20. But I think that will be good enough. All right.